Yamasaki VP2012HD bridge mill, 50 taper, 6,000 RPM. It has a Fanuc Series 0 IMD. It's a 3-axis control. It's wired for a 4th axis. And we are running right now at 2,500 RPM, 3,500 RPM.
Should we go down?
We can go up. 4,500 RPM. 5,500 RPM. Goes up to 6,000.
I'm not going to go 6.
Okay. And 2,500 RPM. And can we do a tool change? We can move the X and the Y, rapid. Great. The machine has dual chip augers, also has a chip conveyor. It's plumbed for 1,000 PSI going through the spindle unit. It does have a chip blaster unit. It will have with it. There you have the Yamasaki bridge mill. Thank you.